it going, guys? Welcome to Cooking with Rita and Aiden. Today we are going to be cooking some potatoes and beef. We're going to be searing the beef on a skillet and cooking some potatoes. Alright, moving on to our beef. This is really simple. Salt, pepper, some worcestershire sauce, and olive oil. That's it. Let's start with some olive oil. Salt, black pepper, some pepper flakes, a good little mix, and then some worcestershire sauce, parsley to it as well. That should be good, Aiden. Which I have chopped up already because we're going to make a chimichurri sauce. Just like a teaspoon of that, please. We always like to put some sort of alcohol in here just to like season with. So I need a splash of something. Just a good little splash. Pour. Okay, that should be it. So there is our beef. I'm gonna take this off. Alright, now that the beef is all finished up, moving on to our potatoes. I'm chopping up some bell peppers. I like to use all three colors, along with some onions and garlic and some cilantro, olive oil. We're going to be mixing all of this into the potato and give that a sear on the stove before getting it ready for the oven. Alright, now that our beef and potato are all seared, we're going to go ahead and assemble that and put it back in the oven under the broiler for a few minutes, and then it's time to taste. Alright, while that's going, I want to take a minute to just say thank you to you all and for going along on this cooking journey with me and Aiden. We've been having so much fun in the kitchen. I hope you guys have been liking it and trying some of these recipes. Please let us know what you want to watch and we'll try to make it.
Good shit.
My turn?